Good morning, guys. Welcome back to our channel. So this is the view this morning. It's been raining all night and this guy is eating whatever dog food fell on the ground. They were both in that doghouse there. I think the other one's still in there. Hi. Hi. He's so cute. He was sitting, yep, he's doing it again. He's like, yep. Good morning. Good morning. You're so cute. Doesn't feel too bad. But this is the view I was telling y'all about. It's raining a little still, or sprinkling. Hi. There's Oreo. Hi. Say good morning. Hey. They're so hyped up right now. You see that? It's just all clouds on this side. The other side looks like it's clearing up a lot. It rained all morning. I think it started around 3 in the morning. I may be wrong, because I was still up around 2 and there was nothing. That's about it. You guys, it is raining again. The dogs are in their houses. See, it is raining. And that's leaking. Looks dry over there, but it's actually raining. That's leaking. It's kind of weird, but it's raining. Guys, I just came in the restroom and he wanted me to turn on the water. So cute. Let's see, I think the water's getting hot. Good morning, chubby boy. He's finally eating. Sorry, he's like really rubbing on the phone. There's Oreo ditching her babies again. Just kidding. I was picking on her saying that she's ditching her babies because she's been hanging out. But no, she's good. She's good, huh? Let me get your sister. Or your woman. I don't believe your sister and brother after you had kids. You guys are so cute. Oreo. Oreo. They're so cute. We are eating cereal. And we're gonna finish watching Friends from last night. It is 10:43 in the morning. Riley is still in her pajamas. It is freezing and she does not want to wear pants. I don't know why. Honestly, I don't. Are you naturally doing this on purpose? What is he doing?
Mom.
Huh? Oh no. What are they doing? Are you just gonna sit here and let them jump at you? Okay, so I'm washing dishes and look, it is raining again. Like literally raining again. So pretty when you look that way. I mean, don't get me wrong, I love the rain so much. It's just cold right now. I love rain season. It's like my favorite time of the year, sorry. That thing's leaking again. Don't know. You guys. It's pretty bad. And I don't want to grab that. So we're going back inside. Or not.
Fuck you.
So
Fuck!
she's acting like she's never seen a dog.
Fuck!
The reason why I'm saying that is because
Son of a bitch!
we have our neighbor's dog in here. They're not home, and we brought them inside. Raining again. And I wanted to show you guys, I like when it's raining and this. It's just beautiful. The rose bush that we can, no roses yet, but they'll come soon. Guys, so we are cooking. Riley's request was mac and cheese, and today was the first time we made a potato salad. And my hair is a mess right now because when I was putting Riley down for a nap, I ended up falling asleep too. The neighbor's dog went home like 5 minutes after she got here. They showed up and they were looking for the dog, so I had to get their dog back, and yeah, that's about it for now. We are cooking out, somewhat cooking out. Us. You can't leave us. He wants to leave. Okay, well, anywho, I need to go make my way to the kitchen because Riley decided she wants to leave her cup in the fridge. See? She wants to leave her cup in the fridge, and Sancho wants to leave the room. What is that? Oops, tablet. So don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Also share with your family and friends. And we'll have more videos coming for you guys soon. And it is still raining, guys, like sprinkling. We're getting ready for bed. See you guys tomorrow in the next vlog. So good night.
Good night.
Okay. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. And good night, guys.
Night.